What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Princess Bravo here. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I basically do the simplest manicure ever, and that is the rainbow nails or the multicolored nails. So first things first, I start by filing my nails to make sure that they have the same shape, and today I'm gonna be doing the square nail shape. And if you like to know how I basically do that, I have a tutorial for you guys. I will link it down below in the description box so that you guys can also know how to file your nails perfectly square. So like any other manicure or any other set of nails, I believe that manicure or pedicure is a work of art, and you have to come up with different ways or different designs and styles to do on your nails so that you don't have boring nails. So if you are someone like me who loves to do their own manicure at home, of course, I have to come up with different designs to basically do my nails, and so that I can have them looking neat, because I don't go to the salon to do my manicure. I do my manicure at home, and I only do these regular nail polishes. I don't do gels or acrylics or anything like that. So sometimes it can be really boring, especially if you are a natural nail person like me. So you have to come up with different designs to basically have your nails looking right at all times. So I'm going to show you guys how I basically do multicolored nails, and I really love this technique because sometimes if I'm tired of doing just one color, I just take all the nail polishes out and I try different colors and see how it looks. And obviously guys, it turns out great and I really love the results. So first things first, before you apply any color to your nails, you have to apply a base coat first to help to prevent your nails from discoloration from any other color that you apply on your nails. And I am using this one from Charm Max. I love it because it's also a nail hardener. So I'm going to apply that all over my nails and leave them to dry before I go on and apply the colors of my choice. So for the multicolored nails or the rainbow nails, just as the name suggests, you just take different colors or different shades of your nail polishes and then apply them to your nails. And there are different ways that you can do this, but today I'm showing you guys the simplest way you can do rainbow nails. So starting with my nail polish, I'm going to apply that on my thumb finger. And let me tell you guys, so for this simple technique of doing rainbow nails, you can do like the way I'm doing, like apply a yellow color, and then if you have different shades of yellow, you can just apply them on your nails also. But for me, I'm doing different color for each nail. But if you have different shades, trust me, that also looks really nice. But for today's video, let's just do different colors because this is really beautiful, colorful, and chic at the same time. I also want to add that if you have such a nail polish in your house, the blue one specifically, if your nail polish doesn't apply so beautifully, then you better throw it away because it doesn't look so nice. Yeah, because the nail polish was stringy, as you guys can tell in the video. So just throw it away, because sometimes you keep nail polishes in our house thinking that we have a nice nail polish to apply on your nails, and then when it comes to that day you want to rock that nail polish, wahala on you, you don't have anything. So just throw it away because it doesn't look nice. Okay, so I also wanted to mention that the reason why I love doing this type of nails also is because I can rock any outfit with these nails. Like you can wear colors with these nails. You can wear a blue outfit, purple, yellow, pink, depending on the colors you've worn on your nails, and also the eyeshadow. So this is very versatile. I love that it's so chic and colorful, and I can rock these colors anyhow and anywhere I want. So I'm gonna let my nails dry, and once that is done, I'm gonna apply a top coat to finish everything off. And this is how the nails are looking like, so beautiful and colorful. I really love that I only applied one coat, and this is how the nails are looking. So you can imagine if I apply two coats, what will happen. But I only do one coat for this type of nails. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up for me, and also let me know any other type of nails you want to see here on my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, I will leave a playlist down here below for you guys, so that you can also check out different nail designs that I have also done here on this YouTube channel. And as always, I appreciate all of you for watching. Thank you so much. Always remember to be kind and love one another. So it's peace out from me. Bye guys.